it happened, where we were when we first met. I saw you right there on the corner. Don't think we ever could forget. See, the odds are never in our favor. All our chances are always razor thin. To find someone who looks so good on paper, who's even better when you finally let them in. 'Cause we could have been anywhere in the world back then. Anywhere, anywhere, anywhere else. But you were right where you were supposed to be. And I'm so glad it wasn't anyone else. And do you remember what I said when you told me you felt stuck? I said,